So I got a brand new standing desk from Flexispot. They actually reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in making a video about it. And of course, as someone who is currently using a standing desk and has needed kind of a larger one for a while now, it couldn't have been any better timing. My current desk is only a 24 by 48 inches, which when you have as many monitors as I do, that is just not nearly enough space. So as far as sizes go, I decided to go with the 60 inch by 30 inch. I think this just fits my workspace really well. It's kind of crazy that a desk is actually able to lift me this high, and it still feels really solid at this height. That's kind of the main issue with my current standing desk. It'll be really nice to be able to use this to actually do work standing up, not feeling like I have to duck my head down a little bit. So to hold everything together, I picked up a 39-inch cable raceway that I was able to drill directly underneath the desk, and that just serves as a raceway for all my cables. I'm able to mount it in a way that all the cables are just sitting and resting on it. There's not too many things that I actually have zip tied. So I'm actually able to still access those cables and plug stuff in as needed, but it just creates a much cleaner look. To power everything up, I'm still using a 16 outlet strip that I picked up for my last desk setup. It works great, it's white, it matches the raceway, and it just allows me to plug in everything I need into one strip. I also picked up a cable raceway kit. This is actually the same kit I used on my last desk setup, and I have quite a bit still left over, and I don't think I'll ever need to pick up any more. So the exact configuration that I decided to go with is the white legs with the bamboo top. There's a bunch of different options if you just want to do a standard white top or black top, or they have a bunch of different wood options. But for me, when I first saw that bamboo option, I knew I had to do something just a little bit different. And I will say that it doesn't feel or appear any different than some of the other wood choices. I don't really know exactly what the texture difference would be there, but I am really impressed with the quality of it. I will say the packaging of these products is fantastic. There was a spot on the worktop packaging that had been kind of pushed in, either it got hooked on a corner or something, but the desk itself was completely unharmed inside. The packaging was really put together really well. I've gotten products from Amazon or eBay or wherever, and the packing is just horrendous, and you just wonder yourself how the package got to you unharmed. But with Flexispot, I would feel confident sending this desk to just about anywhere, knowing that the way they packaged it, the desk and everything inside is going to show up completely unharmed. While this is a feature that you'll find on most standing desks, the E6 itself allows for 4 programmable heights. So if you're like me, I chose a sitting and a standing height. I have an issue where I decide to redo my workspace every couple months, and not completely redo, just move things around. But I'm absolutely loving this setup. I haven't had my main desk set up in this part of the room. It's always been in that back corner, but I'm really loving where I'm at now. I kind of have my shelving unit behind us as well as the back corner. I am making a full video about my office setup. I just completely redid everything. And I also have some other exciting videos on the way. So if you're interested in this Flexispot E6 desk or anything else, definitely throw it down in the comments and I'll get back to you. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, I just want to thank you for watching and have a blessed rest of your day.